it's Laura with your latest tech update. If you hate creating new strong passwords every time you sign up to something, this news is going to make your day. Microsoft, Apple, and Google have joined forces in a mission to kill the password for good. 81% of all data breaches are down to weak or stolen passwords, so instead, they want to use something called a PassKey. It's very simple. To log into something, you'll use your phone to prove it's really you. Your computer will use Bluetooth to verify you're sitting nearby. Because Bluetooth only works a short distance, this should stop many phishing scams. Then it'll send a verification message to your phone. You'll unlock your phone in the usual way with your face, fingerprint, or PIN. And that's it, you're logged in. You'll start to see some services offering a PassKey option in the next 12 months. Maybe one day, all logins will be this simple. In the meantime, if you'd like help to make passwords easier for you and your team right now, get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.